Good morning everyone. Myself Priyanshi Rana, student of class 12th Commerce in Radhika Senior Secondary School. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Amit Chaudhary sir who gave me this golden opportunity to talk about the industry. So let's start. Industry. Definition of industry. Industry refers to an activity which converts raw material into useful product. Industry convert the raw material into useful product. Now, types of industry. There are three types of industry. First, primary industry. Second, secondary industry, and third, tertiary industry. In industry, primary industry include all those industry which are concerned with the extraction of natural resource and reproduction of living species. In primary industry, there is extraction of natural resource and breeding of living organisms. And primary industry are two types: extractive industry and genetic industry. In extractive industry, extraction of something from natural resources such as mineral from earth, timber from forest. In extractive industry, something extracts from the natural resource like mineral from the earth and timber from forest. Now second, genetic industry, the activity of rearing and breeding of organisms. Example, growing fish in pond, animal husbandry for milk, wool, meat, etc. A genetic industry refers to that industry in which animal husbandry are came and fishing, etc. are also came. Now we will talk about the second types of industry, secondary industry. In this industry make use of product which are extracted and produced by primary industry such as the raw material and produce finished good. In secondary industry, the primary goods are converted into useful products such as wood of timber converted into furniture, etc. And secondary industry is also two types: manufacturing industry and construction industry. In manufacturing industry, conversion of semi finished good into finished good. Like in manufacturing industry, semi finished goods are converted into finished goods, like timber converted into furniture. And second, construction industry is building of dams, road, etc. It means in construction industry, a road and buildings are formed. Now, third types of industry, territory industry. This industry concerned with the providing service which facilitated a smooth flow of goods and service. Territory industry provide services to the consumer, producer, industry, and other working area. Transport. It facilitated movement of goods from one place to another. It make easier to transport the goods one place to another place. And second, banking. Banking provide credit facility to industry and trading firm. It maybe give the loan to the industry and other working areas to work peacefully. And third, insurance. It providing coverage from various type of risks. Insurance save the producers from risk like fire risk and other natural risk, etc. And warehousing. It provide storage place goods producing by primary and secondary industry. Warehousing is help to store the goods produced by primary and secondary industry. And the last, advertisement. It provide the information to consumer. Advertisement provide the real information to the consumer by which they can understand about the goods and other services. Thank you for giving your valuable time to watching my video.